Question number 5. Now this is little different question. Okay, just for confusion, they will give all this. Given secant theta is equal to 13 by 12, calculate all other trigonometric ratio, ratios. All other, already see here one trigonometric ratio is given. Sec theta is equal to 13 by 12. Other trigonometric ratio is remaining 5 trigonometric ratio you have to find out. Okay, no problem. So here let us start here solution. Okay, so sec theta is equal to what? 13 by 12. So what is the ratio of sec theta? Sec theta.
Hypotenuse by base.
Hypotenuse by base.
Hypotenuse by base. Hypotenuse by base. Correct. So here we have to draw the triangle. Now you're thinking that this time A is not given, like secant A, sin A, cos A is not given. No problem. In that case, they given the theta. Okay, in that case, they given theta. So, but our triangle is same. Our triangle is same. They are here A, here B, and here C. So what we should do here, you should draw the arc like this, and there you have to write the theta. That's it. So that is considered what? Angle A only. Angle A is theta. So our this name of the side is same. This is called a hypotenuse. Opposite of theta. Opposite of theta is called what? Perpendicular. And the remaining side, that is called a base. Understood this one? So theta, wherever you want, you can take. Okay. Theta, if you want to take here also, you can take. But why I'm not taking? Because all the figure I want to draw same. For all the question, the same figure if you draw, then there will be no confusion. That is why I am putting this theta at A only. So now here hypotenuse value is what here? 13, and the base value is 12. So now how to find now here BC?
Pythagoras theorem.
Pythagoras theorem. Tell me, what's the formula I should write? BC square is equal to?
The BC square equals to AC square minus AB square.
AC, always first we have to write hypotenuse, nothing but AC square minus AB square. So AC is 13 square minus 12 square, 169 minus 144. That is answer. What will come here? 25.
25.
So
5.
BC square is equal to BC is equal to root 25. Therefore, BC is equal to 5 unit. Okay, here we got the 5 units. All right. So next one now, here they are asking all the trigonometric ratios. So first to start with the sine. But here A you should not write. Why? Because here the theta is given. So what I should write here? Sine theta. Ratio will not change. Same ratio. That is called a perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sine theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular is 5, hypotenuse is 13. So 5 by 13. Similarly, cos theta. Cos theta is the value is called what? Base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse. So base is 12, hypotenuse is 13. Similarly, tan theta. Tan theta, the ratio is perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base. So perpendicular value is 5. Base is 12, 5 by 12 over. Similarly, cosec theta, you know the cosec theta is. Cosec theta, if you want to find, means, you know, it is a reciprocal of what? Sin theta.
Sin theta.
Reciprocal of sin theta means sin theta you have to reciprocal, nothing but hypotenuse
by perpendicular.
Yes, hypotenuse by perpendicular. Nothing but 13 by 5. Cosec theta. Next, what will come? Sec theta. But sec theta is given. No, sec theta already given. See here.
13 by 12.
Sec theta is given. So no need to write here. Sec theta already given. After sec theta, what I should write now? Next, cot theta. Cot theta. So cot theta is a reciprocal of tan theta. Cot theta is a reciprocal of tan theta. See, cot theta is a reciprocal of tan theta. Means perpendicular by base means you have to write what? Base by
perpendicular.
base by perpendicular. So base by perpendicular means 12 by 5. Simple one. Got it? Any doubt in this?
No doubt, sir.
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.